Question number 35 on page 142 asks us to evaluate the second derivative, so d squared y over dx squared of x squared plus y squared equals 36. We want to start by getting dy dx, use implicit differentiation, so x squared would have a derivative of 2x, y squared, our derivative is 2y times dy dx. Derivative of 36 is 0. Solve for dy dx, so we subtract 2x from both sides. And divide both sides by 2y. Dy dx is negative 2x over 2y, which we can simplify to negative x over y. So there is the first derivative. We need the second derivative, so I need to take the derivative again. Because we have negative x divided by y, we are going to use the quotient rule to find the derivative of this. So d squared y over dx squared would be the bottom times the derivative of the top, so negative y, minus the top times the derivative of the bottom. So I've got minus negative x times dy dx over the bottom squared. The problem with writing this as the answer is you don't want the second derivative in terms of the first derivative. So let's simplify this. We are going to replace dy dx with what dy dx is equal to. So dy dx was negative x over y. I'm plugging that in for dy dx right there. So it says negative y plus x times negative x over y squared. And we can multiply this, negative y minus x squared over y, all over y squared. We don't want a complex fraction. We don't want a fraction within a fraction in our answer here. So we probably should simplify some more. We can do that by multiplying the top by y so that it cancels out this denominator. If I multiply the top by y, I have to multiply the bottom by y as well. And we can distribute this y. So we get negative y squared. Y divided by y cancels there. So I just get minus x squared over y cubed. And that is a great answer. That is certainly an acceptable answer. But on this particular problem, if you check your answer in the back, it's not going to say that because we can actually simplify a little more here. I can factor out a negative 1, leaving me with positive x squared plus y squared. And then for this particular problem, x squared plus y squared was equal to 36. So you can replace x squared plus y squared with 36. So negative 36 over y cubed, which is the answer they have in the back.